Welcome to the Western North Carolina Nature Center Songbird Garden. My name is Chrissy and I'm an education specialist here, and I was hoping that you all could help me out by standing up, stretching those wings, unruffling those feathers, and get ready to celebrate birds. That's right, folks, today is the 27th annual World Migratory Bird Day. And now there are over 10,000 species of birds worldwide, where 40% of them go on incredible migration journeys year after year. Each and every species of birds has a crucial part to play in the wild, and it's important that we do our part by working together to make the world a more bird-friendly place. So let's go explore 5 different things that you can do in your very own yard to help the ultimate survival of birds. We've made it to our first spot on our journey, which is to highlight native plants. This here is a blackberry bush, which is native to Western North Carolina, and these white flowers here are going to eventually turn into some delicious blackberries, and that provides essential food for a variety of wildlife, including bears, turtles, and birds. So next time you're thinking of sprucing up your yard, think about what is native in your area, because if you plant native plants, you're helping native wildlife. Welcome to spot number 2, where we're going to pick up some sticks, throw them in a pile, and now we have our very own brush pile. This provides some great shelter for insects to hide in, and therefore becomes a bird buffet. We've made it to our third spot along our journey, which is to highlight the importance of nest boxes. This year is a specifically made nest box for eastern screech owls, and we have already seen a mama screech owl inhabiting this box this season. So fingers crossed for some screech owl owlets here in the future. Now, nest boxes come in a variety of different shapes and sizes depending on what type of bird you're trying to entice to come to your very own yard. But if you'd like to know how we made our screech owl box, please check out the comments below for those instructions. And if you provide a nest box, you're providing some extra shelter and protection to a bird, while also having a fun project to look at over time. Welcome back to the Western North Carolina Nature Center's Songbird Garden. For our 4th stop, we'll be highlighting the importance of bird feeders. Now you can see that we provide a variety of different shapes and sizes and food type to entice many different types of birds to come and visit our garden. And these spots are especially important for those migratory birds looking for that essential fuel to get them to their next spot along their journey. So go ahead, put out a bird feeder, and enjoy bird watching with the entire family. And last but not least, bird watching. That's right, folks, you can help birds by simply just going out and enjoying their beauty. And when you do so, please feel free to bring your favorite smart device and download the eBird app. Now this app allows you to download your very own data of what type of bird you're seeing and what location and time you saw the bird. Scientists can then go in and use that data to track changes over time. This allows them to know a little bit more about migration patterns and our ever-changing planet. Now let's go see who we'll find right here at the Western North Carolina Nature Center's Songbird Garden.